What is the most effective and fastest way to patient acquisition for dental practice? And I'm not going to waste your time, and I'm going to tell you that the most efficient and fastest way to acquire new patients is through paid advertising. And that is Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, and so on. And why that is? Well, there are many other ways to acquire new patients. For example, organically, okay? You you post on social media, you create a new YouTube channel for your dental practice. These take time, okay? It takes time to grow a YouTube channel, it takes time to grow a Facebook page organically. Another thing is building an email list, okay? And then you are able to send emails, mass emails, to your list about offers that you're running um, at one given time, at any given time, okay? Those are all very good ways of acquiring new patients, but they're not the most effective ways, or at least not the fastest ways, okay? Fastest way to do it is through paid advertising. So you're paying Facebook, to put your ads in front of the targeted audience, okay? That is kind of like going to the gym but using steroids. The difference is this is legal and it's completely ethical to run Facebook ads or Google ads for your business. But that is the fastest way to get new patients. And you can even use paid advertising to grow your page or to grow your YouTube channel if you want that, or to grow your email list, okay? But if you want to, for example, there is SEO as well, right? Search engine optimization. That's good as well, and I think you should do that also. But with that, it takes 6 months or a year to see the results. So you're paying someone to do that for you, but you won't see the results in the first month, 2 months, 3 months, okay? It usually takes at least 6 months in order to see any results with that. But with paid advertising, when I say that is the fastest way, I really mean it. So for example, from the time the campaign is live, it will take 24 to 48 hours to actually see results and to see actually if the campaign is working or not. So if after 48 hours you don't see any results, there's most probably something wrong with the campaign. So it takes 1 to 2 days to actually see results coming in, to see patients or to receive phone calls from patients, or receive their contact information, like first name, last name, email, and phone number, in order to be contacted by the reception afterwards. So it's really fast. It's the most effective way and the fastest way to do it. Paid advertising. I hope this video helped. And one last thing, if you want me to run your paid advertising, or to run the paid advertising for you, for your dental practice, schedule a free strategy call with me. You'll find the link in the video description below. And this call is exactly what the name says it is. It's a strategy call, and it's free. We'll have 30 to 40 minutes. We will spend 30 to 40 minutes on a Zoom call. I will find out more about where you are with your business and where you want to go, or where you want to be, and identify what is stopping you from getting there. And if I can help you, great. If I cannot, at least I can give you 2 or 3 suggestions on what you should do or what you should implement in order to get closer to your goals. I have over 7 years of experience as a digital marketer. I started innovation and entrepreneurship as a bachelor in Copenhagen, Denmark. So I will put all of my knowledge and my expertise to use in this call with you. And again, you are not obligated to work with me, just as I am not obligated to work with you. This is just a call where we get to know each other. I get to know more about you and see if I can even help you in the first place, and see if we are a good fit for each other. Okay? And there is nothing to lose on your side, because I will still give you suggestions on what I think you should do in order to get closer to your goals. I hope this video helped as well, and see you in the next one.